A new state law is being tested in Arapahoe County where prosecutors want to send a mentally ill shooting suspect to the state hospital. Austin Benson has been repeatedly found incompetent to stand trial.
And that means the criminal charges against him must be dismissed. Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates was in court today, joins us from the Arapahoe County Courthouse. And Kevin, until recently, there was a loophole in the law that could have put him back on the streets.
Yeah, Kim, and we saw that play out in a number of cases that ended with tragic consequences. Now, prosecutors and judges have the ability to send someone they believe to be dangerous to the state hospital instead of simply releasing them. Austin Benson is no stranger to court. He was arrested in Douglas County in 2018, accused of randomly shooting at people along Rampart Range Road. The case languished for years because he was mentally incompetent. The judge dismissed the charges, and less than a year later, Benson was accused of shooting Aaron Johnson and Kimberly and Kenny Lottis in Aurora. The charges against him in this case will be dismissed as well. But today, prosecutors served notice they will seek to have Benson committed to the state hospital indefinitely. Assistant District Attorney Ryan Brackley would not discuss the case, but praised the new law aimed at people like Austin Benson.
Now at least we have an opportunity to request a trial to establish dangerousness for a person in this situation so that we can seek a more secured facility under a civil commitment, and again, that goes towards public safety.
The Arapahoe County District Attorney has 7 days to make that formal filing. The new law then requires that the judge schedule and hold that so-called dangerousness hearing within 91 days. There, prosecutors have the burden of proving by clear and convincing evidence that Austin Benson poses a substantial threat to other people. If the judge agrees with that assessment, Benson can be committed to the state hospital indefinitely. Reporting live in Arapahoe County, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
Kevin, I know you have been focused on Austin Benson for years now, but we know he's not the only one. There are a lot of other cases like this. That's why it's important to know the difference about this law.
Yeah, for the last few years, Colorado law often meant that these people simply had their cases dismissed and were sent back out on the streets. And we've seen deaths caused by people in these situations and other tragic cases, which is why this new law was brought up this year, passed by the legislature, and signed by the governor.